5 Best Coffee Machine. Here is the product number 5. Adoolla 220 volts household drip type automatic coffee maker, features healthy material. Simple one-button operation. Detachable design. Convenient to clean. Description: item type, coffee maker. Color, white, black machine white cup. Coffee machine type, drip type. Applicable quantity of people, 2 people. Rated power, 350 watts. Main body material. Here is the product number 4. ITOP new arrival 1500 watts 6 liters automatic coffee maker. Product description: name, coffee percolator maker. Power, 1500 watts. Model, IPO6. Material, stainless steel. Type drip coffee maker. Capacity, 6 liters. Item specifics: brand name ITOP. Model number IPO6. Housing material stainless steel. Coffee type espresso. Here is the product number 3. Stainless steel cup coffee machine bottle. Features: strong power, fine grinding. Portable size, easy to carry, very convenient. Made of stainless steel material, very durable for use. Intelligent shutdown control, no need to worry about the difficulty of controlling the grinding time. Automatic shutdown design, more economical. Smooth grinding, fine powder and better taste. Here is the product number 2. Automatic drip coffee maker mini household. Automatic drip coffee maker mini household coffee tea machine with glass pot and filter, portable electric cafeteria maker. Item specifics: brand name ICOCO. Coffee type Americano. Voltage, V, 220 to 240 volts. Feature: integrated grinder. Power, W, 550 watts. Model number SR1012A. Here is the product number 1. JIQI coffee maker drip type machine. Features: semi-automatic rotating spout, 5 water holes, precision alignment coffee filter, brewed coffee powder more uniform, higher extraction. High density coffee filter, permanent high density filter, more environmentally friendly than traditional coffee filter. Cook quicklime 2 minutes, saving time and energy. Material: food grade plastic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.